Hello, I wanted to give you a quick overview of what tools you have available within your group to work on your case. So I have a practice team here and I'm going to show you a couple things. So I am in a group channel. So this is just group one. And you have a lot of tools available in this channel, even though it may not look like it. First of all, you have a camera here that you can meet now with your group at any time. You can meet with just one person, you can meet with everyone, but it's a built-in tool. Just like you have Teams meetings, your group can do that. Also, if you go up to the top of your group and you click on Files, after I have uploaded the case files, you will find your case files there, and there will be specific instructions you need. But I wanted to show you, you can open a Word document, so you can open any document. I'm going to open this Word document here, and it will open in Word right there. So you can all be in the same document. It's like Google Docs, but it's built into Microsoft Teams. So you can all type here, you can add to it, and etc. So then you can close and it'll be automatically saved. So that's one benefit. So you can open the documents that are in your channel. But even more interesting is you can click New here and you can create, say you need an Excel file, and I'm going to just make this create. Okay, I can create a file here. I will be in Excel. It'll open the file. See, it's opened the file, and now I can work on Excel, and I can work on it as a group. So all your files are right here. So you can make new files. You can see you can make new Word files, Excel, PowerPoint. You can upload documents if you wish. You will be leaving your final case project in your file folder, in your files here on Teams. So this is how you'll actually turn it in too. Those instructions will be in there when I give you the case assignment. But I wanted to step in and tell you about the capabilities of your channel in Microsoft Teams. Also, keep in mind that any communication you do with your group, so if I'm out here with my group and I say, hi group, okay? If whatever I say, however I work with my group, that's counting towards my discussion and participation for the week. So you get kind of a double benefit there. You talk to your group and you get your case done. So your case materials are not available yet, but I had seen some conversation about people setting up GroupMe's. That's fine, except GroupMe doesn't have all the tools that you may need. So I am not going to police how you do it or don't do it, but I wanted to get in there and show you some really neat capabilities of Microsoft Teams in your group channel. Now remember, only your group can see your channel and me, right? So the other groups can't see your own channel. Have a great day.